More people than any other network. ABC.
It's Friday night, and the mood is right. Gonna have some fun, show you how it's done. TGIF.
Hi, I'm Geneva from Hanging with Mr. Cooper, and this is my daughter Nicole.
And tonight it's girls' night on TGIF. No boy hosts allowed.
Well, you'll have to do it without me. Eric's on his way to pick me up.
It's family matters.
Yeah, and it's coming up next on ABC. I hope Eric's stuck in traffic.
TGIF.
Whoa!
What's the matter, Mrs. Winslow? Is my bra strap showing?
What isn't showing? Come on in.
Is Laura ready for the party?
Yeah, hold on a second. Laura! Maxine's here!
Coming! Oh, girl! That's a great dress. Can I borrow it sometime? Sure.
After I'm dead.
Well, bye, Mrs. Winslow. Oh, Ma. Can I stay out a little past curfew tonight?
Well, let me think. No.
Ma.
Laura, why must we go through this every time you get ready to go out?
But, Mom, the party really doesn't get started until 11.
But your curfew is at 12, not a minute later. So party hardy for an hour. Besides, bet you Maxine doesn't stay out past her curfew.
I don't have a curfew.
I don't care what Maxine does. She's not my daughter. You are, and you're not staying out past curfew. End of story. I saw that young lady.
Wow, she is good.
It's a rare condition this day and age to read any good news on the newspaper page. And love and tradition of the grand design, some people say, is even harder to find. Well, then there must be some magic clue inside these gentle walls. 'Cause all I see is a tower of dreams, real love bursting out of every scene. It's the bigger love of the family.
Oh, girls. Hey, Tyler, what are you doing here?
Leaving. No boys allowed. Come on.
Boy Meets World is next on ABC. I mean, we always watch that together. Okay, Tyler, you can stay. Women can't resist me.
Football.
No, pain, cleats on face.
Modern dance.
No, a lot of girls, tights, no.
Drama club.
No, a lot of guys, tights, no.
That's the list, Cor.
None of these are me, Sean. I mean, here I am going into my 8th year of public education, and who am I really?
You're you. You're Corey Matthews.
Yeah, but there's no Corey Matthews Club on here. There's no club for ordinary guys who don't know who they are and aren't great at anything.
So start one.
Probably wouldn't get in.
Corey, come on. You got a lot of good qualities. Hey, you're honest, loyal, and decent.
Housebroken, too. I'm a stinking beagle.
All right, people, this is just off the wire. Elections for next year's 8th grade class president will be held next week.
Who cares?
Detention!
Sorry!
You know, you people whine and moan about the way things run around here. Well, this is a chance to change things by getting involved. But remember, this is a student election.
It's not a popularity contest.
You know, I think we've been spending a little too much time together. The point is, your class president doesn't need to be a quarterback or a cheerleader. You'll be much better off with someone who's honest, loyal, and decent.
Corey, that's you.
What?
You wanted to know who you were. You could be president.
Come on.
All right, let's have some nominations.
I got somebody good.
I nominate me.
Your humility is impressive, Mies, but someone else has to nominate you.
Topanga, how about it?
No, go away and don't look at me.
Come on, Mies here has the guts to run. Someone should have the guts to nominate him.
All right, big deal. I'll nominate him.
What are you doing? That's your competition.
I'm not running.
Anybody else?
The great state of Sean nominates the people's choice. Corey Matthews.
No!
No, he's not gonna settle for second-rate leadership.
Matthews, you've been nominated. Do you accept?
No way!
No way would he turn down the chance to serve his fellow students.
What are you, his handler?
Yes, I am.
No, he's not. Look, I don't know anything about being president, okay? I wouldn't have a clue. I'm not somebody special. I'm just an average guy like all of you. The simple, hard-working students who struggle day after day with too much homework, unfair teachers, and an antiquated justice system that relies too much on detention. And if elected, if I win and you guys vote for me, I would say to each and every one of you, hey, thanks!
Friends don't let friends miss a moment of TGIF. Stay here. We'll be right back.
The American Broadcasting Company, ABC.
Tyler, what color do you want your nails painted?
I'm out of here.
But you're gonna miss Step by Step next on ABC.
Got anything in blue?
Hey, little dude.
Hey, Cody.
Ah, the mighty Sunday, huh? The dean of desserts, the king of confections, the sultan of sweets.
You want one?
Yeah, no way, man. That stuff will rot the teeth right out of your head. Whoa, man. Chocolate mint chip fudge Kahlua Ripple. Wow. Carol sprung for the El Primo ice creamo, huh?
She didn't. Mom's on this health food kick. She said if we want any junk food, we're gonna have to buy it ourselves.
Hey! Get your hands off my chocolate syrup. I bought that with my own money.
Yeah, give me back my whipped cream.
Look, I know these are your toppings, but I'm trying to make a sundae. How do you guys feel about sharing?
Well, how do you feel about bleeding?
Whoa. Step dudes at war, huh? You know, my philosophy's always been about sharing. Like, hey, dig it, man. If it's in my van, it doesn't have a choke chain on it, dig right in.
Cody, I've looked in your refrigerator, and I don't recall anything that would taste good on ice cream.
Are you kidding me, man? I got homemade Spam jerky out there. That's an all-day chew.
Lost. What would be the future? Could you pay the cost? You wonder, will there ever be a second time around?
Oh, when the tears are over and the moment has come, say, my Lord, I think I found someone. You know it will be better if you're putting it together for the second time around.
Step by step, day by day, let's start over. A different hand to play. Deeper we fall, the stronger we stay.
We'll make it better.
Second time around.
Hey, dudes, put your seats in their full and upright positions. TGIF is ready to fly high.
Our show is next. Mark breaks up with his girlfriend.
Hello? Oh, okay. Hold on. Vanessa, it's for you. It's Eric.
Well, it's about time he called. So, what, you just gonna leave a brother hanging? Well, boyfriend can wait. Hang with Mr. Cooper's up next on ABC.
Give it up.
I'm the man.
Yeah. You got to give it up for the brother.
He's got it going on.
Cooper,
Gonna tear the house down.
I'm a hero.
Ain't no shadow of doubt.
Gonna do this.
Ah, what a great night of TGIF. Hey, Vanessa, I think that Eric's still waiting on the phone. Oh, right. You know, I can't believe you stood me up. I'm glad I kept you on hold. Here I am all dressed up and... Oh, okay, I'll be there in 10 minutes. Bye. Why did you let him off so easy? He had a good excuse. He was watching TGIF. See ya.
Good night, everybody. See you next week on ABC.
Watched by more people than any other network. ABC.